Let's hope we don't run into him first. I think I can handle this. Wonder how long it's gonna take for my dad to fully recover.
Someone's on the move. Wait, that power. It's Dende!
Krillin! Gohan! What are you doing here?
Well, we finally collected the Dragon Balls, but we can't do anything with them. So we thought we'd head to Guru's place and ask him what to do.
I knew it! This is perfect! Grand Elder Guru told me to find you two and tell you how to use the Dragon Balls. You won't be able to make a wish unless you say it in the Namekian language.
Namekian, huh? I guess that would explain why it didn't work before.
We need to hurry! Grand Elder Guru doesn't have much time. Freeza might be on his way here as we speak.
Right. Oh yeah, what about Vegeta? He said he was gonna rest up, right?
Yeah, he's probably still sleeping.
Good. We gotta make sure we're extra stealthy on the way back. Made it. So how's Vegeta?
He's still sleeping.
Well, he's been in his fair share of battles recently. Now's our chance to leave him here and go make our wishes. We gotta grab the Dragon Balls and make our way out of here without waking him up. We should still have enough time if we're far enough away. All right. It looks like Vegeta doesn't even know we're here.
Yeah. Someone's coming this way. They're super fast.
It's Freeza! Hurry, Dende. Do what you need to do to help us make our wishes.
Right! Kakaroto Porunga Puperito Paro!
They're glowing! And the sky! It's getting dark!
Just like the Dragon Balls on Earth.
You who have gathered all 7 Dragon Balls, now state your wishes. I shall grant you any 3 wishes that are within my power.
Whoa! That Namekian Shinron is one generous dragon!
Hurry! Tell me your wishes before Vegeta or Frieza get here!
Right. First, ask him to bring back everyone on Earth who was killed by the Saiyans.
Banda Parura, Rutimararu, Van Paritsu, Humeratohero, Runchuro, Itash Kunchpa, Pontero, Rupche!
I am unable to grant that wish. I am only capable of bringing back one person at a time.
What?
Oh no!
It seems they can only wish back one person at a time.
Hey, let me talk to Gohan. Hurry!
Okay. Place your hand on my shoulder to talk to him.
Thanks. Gohan, can you hear me? It's Piccolo!
Mr. Piccolo?
Listen up and listen good, okay? I know what's going on there. That first wish of yours, use it to bring me back. If I'm back, then Kami will be as well. You have to trust me on this. We can use the Dragon Balls on Earth to resurrect everybody else. We can bring them back!
Yeah, that's right. I totally forgot about that.
And, as for the second wish, you have to make him send me to Namek. I want to make that wretched Freeza suffer slowly for slaughtering my people. I'm a lot stronger now thanks to the training I've done. I know I can beat him. You have to warp me to Namek.
Okay, Mr. Piccolo.
Good. Do whatever you want for the third wish.
Dende, ask him if he can bring back Piccolo. He was a Namekian that used to be on Earth.
Okay, you said his name was Piccolo, right? Tetorapto hotto Piccolo, pupimero papi moposo, adorate morimpe, kuri pupas, huya kirgo. Otaku horoksa, pero pupo!
Understood. I will grant your first wish.
Kame! Piccolo, what is this? What in the world are you up to?
For our second wish, please ask him to take Piccolo, the guy we just brought back, and then warp him straight here to Namek.
Okay. Harumopora akororu, stenonipero, hikoloru magaka, tamakararu!
Consider it done. I shall grant your second wish.
So, this is planet Namek, the home of my people. Not sure why, but there's something familiar about it. Now's not the time to get emotional. I need to find Gohan and the others. I'm sensing a massive energy in the distance. Ugh, it must be that monster, Freeza. I sense 3 huge powers near there. They've got to be Gohan and the others.
I thought for sure Freeza was on his way here. But what the hell is going on? Why is it dark outside? There's no night on this planet. What the hell is that monstrosity? Those Dragon Balls and those twerps, they're gone. That beast must be the Shinron creature those two were talking about. Ugh, I can't believe they took the Dragon Balls right from under my nose. Damn them!
Your second wish has been granted. Now, state your final wish.
Wait, he granted our wish? Then where's Piccolo?
Well, you did ask to have him sent to this planet, but you didn't say where. Did you want me to have him sent here?
Oh no, now what are we supposed to do?
Oh, you actually thought you can trick me? You're going to pay for that! How could you be so stupid? Get it through your head! Frieza can't be defeated unless I'm immortal!
Wait, we get 3 wishes. So that means there's still one left.
What are you doing, Gohan?
Well, now that's what I like to hear. Now then, make me immortal. Frieza's already on his way here.
Hold on. Do you not have a final wish?
Oh, man, we're out of options at this point. Hurry, Dende, grant Vegeta's wish. I hate to admit it, but he's our best shot at getting out of this mess.
Okay, I'll ask Porunga.
Yes, finally! Frieza has no hope of beating me now. Even if I don't have the strength to beat him, I'll eventually wear him down.
Okay, here goes.
What the? The dragons disappeared! The Dragon Balls, they're stone!
Grand Elder Guru, he's gone. He finally died.
What do you mean? What about my immortality?
I'm sorry.
Oh no! It's Freeza!
Well, you've really done it now, haven't you? You have destroyed my dream of attaining true immortality in the most spectacular fashion. As for the lack of response from the Ginyu Force, I suppose I have you to blame. I don't fully understand what has happened, but this is a rather surprising turn of events. How could I have foreseen the Dragon Balls turning to stone just as I was about to make my wish a reality? I can only imagine Vegeta's disappointment, though it pales in comparison to my own. This is a first, to be sure. No one has ever been foolish enough to make a mockery of me on such a grand scale. You worms will pay for this! I'm going to make your deaths long and painful! None of you will escape my wrath! Prepare to experience hell!
We're doomed!
What is his power level? There's no way we can beat someone like this!
Of course. Did you really think 3 measly ants could defeat a dinosaur?
We can beat you! There's enough power between the 3 of us to take you down! The power level of those 2 keep rising, and the kid still has a ton of untapped power ready to go! Not to mention, I'm getting even closer to becoming your worst nightmare, a Super Saiyan!
I grow tired of hearing about that preposterous myth. Please, you are no Super Saiyan.
It's no myth. I'm strong enough now to take on even that freakish transformation of yours.
Transformation?
Did you say transformations? What are you talking about, Vegeta?
A small number of people throughout the universe have the ability to transform when needed. Some camouflage themselves with it, while other beings use it to conserve their energy.
My transformation serves another purpose, I'm afraid. You see, my power is so great that I struggle to contain it at times.
What did you just say?
He's bluffing! Relax! He doesn't have that much power!
Oh, you think so? You know, I recall when I took over planet Vegeta. I hadn't a need to transform in order to subdue you simian barbarians. And your king. That's right, Vegeta. Your planet was nothing special. Not even your father.
I wouldn't be so cocky if I were you. My father's strength back then pales in comparison to mine now.
So it was Freeza that destroyed the Saiyan planet!
Go on! Transform! Show us what you really look like, Freeza!
Very well. If you wish to die that badly, then I'm more than happy to oblige. You're in for a rare treat! Not many have had the privilege of seeing this form.
His power level! It's insane!
Careful now. This won't be like before, and I won't be gentle. Perhaps you've noticed my massive increase in power. In terms of power level, I would say it's over 1 million.
What? No way!
Oh my, you look rather scared, Vegeta. What's wrong? You weren't expecting this? For me to be this powerful?
Damn you, Freeza!
Now then, who shall I send to hell first? How about you?
Krillin! What have you done to him? Krillin!
You hope to save him? Such foolishness. He'll be dead soon enough.
You can't does it! I have to save Krillin!
I have you now!
Krillin, don't die!
We don't have time to worry about it! Gotta go! His power starts skyrocketing!
I guess you're not just some snot-nosed brat after all. How surprising. That little attack of yours just now actually managed to hurt. But you are no match for me. All you've succeeded in doing is angering me further.
It's no use. Damn it! So much for that plan of ours!
The energy from before is larger now. Freeza appears to have finally made his move. There's an energy nearby. What? He looks just like me. Must be Namekian.
So, you're the Namekian the Earthlings were talking about. They got their wish. Good for them.
You seem to know a lot about what's going on. You probably also know these Earthlings called me here to help them, not to talk to the locals. Sorry, but you're on your own.
I don't know what kind of training you put yourself through, but your power, it's unbelievable. Too bad it's not enough. You might have actually been able to take on Freeza if you'd recombined with your other half.
What? You mean I could stand a chance against Freeza if I fused back together with Kami? Is that what you're telling me?
That's right. I was no match for Freeza. But I got a sense of his power.
There's no way in hell I'd join back with that dried-up dolt. Besides, I couldn't even if I wanted to.
Then fuse with me. If you do, you'll increase your power tenfold, maybe more.
What? Fuse with you?
There's not much time. I only have a few moments left. Your mind will still be your own. Quickly, place your hand on my body.
Fine. I'll do it.
Make Freeza suffer for what he did to our people.
Oh, I'm planning on it. This is unreal. This power, it's unbelievably incredible. So this is what he was talking about. I'm on my way, Gohan. I can win with this kind of power. Nothing can stand in my way now. I have just obtained the ultimate power! Freeza's power is skyrocketing.
Looks like someone wants to die.
I'm ready whenever you are. Let's do this!
Damn it! I can't move!
Don't kid yourself, you could never beat
So this is the land of my people. Feels so familiar. Too bad it's been so ravaged. Finally, some acceptable results. That was easy. Looks like someone wants to die. Here they are.
What's wrong, Vegeta? Are you not going to save him? Him? But he...
What?
How is that pathetic worm still alive? My attack should have been fatal! You won't be able to cheat death again once I've torn you into a million little pieces!
Solar flare!
My eyes!
Now, Vegeta, attack him with all you got!
Thank goodness you're still alive! Here, let me heal you!
He had that kind of ability?
What are you doing, Vegeta?
Why the hell didn't you tell me that Namekian Runt had the ability to heal people?
Because we didn't know either. If we had known, we would have had him heal Goku.
You really surprised me there, Dende. Thanks!
Good luck!
His power has increased rather significantly. I suppose it's because he has the blood of a Saiyan. It might not be much, but it should be enough to tip the scales in our favor.
Impossible! That little cretin was on the verge of death, I'm sure of it!
Something's coming!
Mr. Piccolo!
Sorry to keep you waiting.
Of all the people to show up, it had to be the freak we killed back on Earth. The Dragon Balls were used to bring back this dead weight? What a waste!
Sorry to disappoint you, but let's make one thing clear. I'm coming after you next. Once I take care of Freeza, that is.
So another Namekian worm has come to die.
Back off. I fight alone.
What?
What?
It's your funeral. You have no idea what you're up against, but fine. Go ahead.
There's something different about this one. No matter. It's of little consequence. He's still far from the world.
Time to take out the trash!
Die!
I'm just getting started!
I have you now!
Is this really the best you can do?
You'll continue your skill.
Special beam cannon!
Die!
Consider this payback for all the Namekians you've killed! Why you?
No way! He's actually fighting on par with Freeza!
No, he's doing better than that.
Wow, I knew Mr. Piccolo could do it!
I must apologize for my attitude before. I've underestimated you. But I'm afraid you're still out of your league. Allow me to demonstrate my true power!
Well then, guess I'll do the same.
It appears you don't fully grasp the danger you're in. Did you think what I've showed you was the full extent of my power?
What?
You simpleton! You're clearly unaware that I've undergone a transformation. Prepare yourself. You're about to experience dread like you've never felt before!
Transformation?
Now that I have your attention, it's only fitting that I instill you with hopelessness as well. With each and every transformation, my power increases quite considerably. And still, I have 2 more forms beyond this one. You know what that means, don't you?
You can't be serious!
No!
He's got 2 more forms?
Prepare yourselves! You have the esteemed privilege of being the first to see my next form! Rejoice!
Mr. Piccolo, I'm gonna fight too!
Kidding me!
No! You're wasting your time! I need you to beat me within an inch of my life, right now!
I apologize for the wait. Shall we begin round 2?
You monster!
Now, let's see, shall we?
Maybe you now realize just how powerful we Saiyans can become when pushed to our limits. What are you waiting for? I can't get a power boost if I harm myself. I need you to do it! With that little Namekian's healing ability, I can recover from whatever you do almost immediately!
I'd love to beat the snot out of you, believe me, but I can't. I mean, Goku's gonna be back any minute now!
Kakaroto isn't going to get stronger, he's a loser!
Now, while I could snuff the life out of you in my current form with the most minimal of efforts, I wonder... Yes, I think I'll demonstrate to you just how truly terrifying my power is before I end your pitiful lives!
Now's our chance! Hurry up and do it! Good. This should work. Go on! You have to get out of here!
Oh, right!
What did you say? What in the hell do you mean you can't heal me?
You killed so many of my people. I can't heal someone like you.
Why, you insignificant little...
I need to help the others. Are you okay?
Thanks a lot, kid.
Krillin, why did you attack Vegeta?
Don't you remember? Saiyans get stronger every time they survive a fight to the death. That's why Vegeta asked me to attack him.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Dende, look, I get it. I know why you don't want to heal Vegeta, but we're screwed if he can't fight.
But...
Just heal him. I'm not strong enough to take Freeza on my own.
What's going on? Is that Freeza?
His transformation's complete.
Dende, please! We need you to heal Vegeta!
Took you long enough? Freeza should be no match for me now. Finally, feast your eyes on a Super Saiyan.
He's coming into view.
That's Frieza's true form?
It's so small and compact, but it's intense.
Guess it's true what they say. You can't judge a book by its cover. Still, I think I liked his other forms better. Sorry I couldn't help you guys out. I know you all went through a lot of trouble trying to wish me here.
You know, I couldn't help but notice that little Namekian had the ability to heal you. I'm afraid I can't have any more of that. Well then, let's begin, shall we? I made you a promise, didn't I? I said you would experience a dread like no other you've felt before.
His speed is incredible. So that's Frieza's true form. But I won't lose. Not as I am now. Stand back and let someone with real power handle this. Dragon Balls are mine! It seems your moves were too fast for the runs to catch, but I can see them clear as day.
I admire your confidence, Vegeta. But I'm afraid your mind is so overcome with fear that you've become delusional.
You won't be laughing for very long, Freeza. After all, you're up against your greatest fear. A Super Saiyan!
Frieza's final form.
You haven't lost your ridiculous sense of humor.
There won't be a need for Kakaroto when I'm done. I can see you!
Well, I think I'll play with you after all.
impossible! This can't be happening! I am a Super Saiyan! Go to hell, Freeza! I don't believe it! This can't be! Absurd! This can't be the extent of my power!
Are you finished? I think I'll make the next move. I'll be gentle.
For the very first time in his life, Vegeta had finally begun to experience true dread. Overcome with hopelessness and frustration, he was reduced to tears. The mighty prince of the warrior race had lost his will to fight.
If you wish to save him, feel free to try at any time.
Whoa! I'm overflowing with power! It's actually kind of freaking me out. Whoa! I better get going! Hang on, guys! I'm on my way! Alright, they're not too far. Freeza, Gohan, Krillin, and Vegeta are all there. And there's someone else there, too. I don't know who it is, but their power is incredible. Wait, there's something familiar about it. Is that Piccolo? Oh, I get it. He must have been wished back with the Dragon Balls. Vegeta's power is getting weaker and weaker by the second. I thought he was stronger than this. Yeah! I can't sense any energy here. Is everyone killed? Man, I'm low on energy. It's my turn now! Lend me your energy! All right. Oh, get a load of that! How's that sound? Hang on, guys! Sorry I'm late. I'll take things from here.
Dad?
Goku!
It looks like I still have some trash to dispose of.
Kakaroto.
Kakarot. Oh, I see. So you're a Saiyan as well. I intend to rid the universe of every last one of you.
There's something different about Kakaroto. Has he finally done it? Is he a Super Saiyan?
You actually countered one of my attacks. I'm impressed.
Freeza, I'd get serious if I were you. You're finally face to face with your worst nightmare. A Super Saiyan! The legendary Saiyan warrior, the strongest fighter in the universe. You're finished, Freeza. You're finally going to get what you...
Did I not make myself clear before? I've grown tired of your pathetic jokes.
Stop! Don't you see he can't fight back anymore? He's done. Just let him go.
Kakaroto, you're just as soft as always. Perhaps you're not a Super Saiyan after all. You idiot. Stop letting your emotions hold you back. Stop being so soft and you can finally do it. You can become a Super Saiyan. Kakaroto, listen. Our home planet, Planet Vegeta, wasn't destroyed by a meteor. It was Freeza. We Saiyans were his enforcers. We followed his every order. Your parents, my father, the king, they were all murdered by that monster. I beg you, Kakaroto, please defeat Freeza. Please, I beg of you. He must die by Saiyan hands.
I was wondering when he'd finally die.
Vegeta, it must have been really difficult for a proud guy like you to beg me for help. I hated you at first, but I began to understand over time you were a proud Saiyan warrior. Just know this, I'll do what I can to carry on that pride of yours. Hey, I'm a Saiyan raised on Earth, and to avenge those you've brutally murdered, the Saiyans and the Namekians. I'm going to defeat you!
Utter nonsense.
We're just in the way. We need to get out of here.
Go on, come on, hurry!
Please don't die, Dad! Make Freeza pay for what he did!
That one hurt! Like this! Like this! Like this! Like this!
You're far stronger than I was expecting. You have no chance of beating me.
Maybe. But I won't know until I try. Like this! Like this!
Let's end the warm-up here.
Good. This! This! Like this! No response! It's my turn now!
Even if you haven't been by my calculation, I estimate I'll only need to use approximately 50% of my full power to reduce you to dust, even that. This has been fun. It's been quite some time since I've exerted myself this much.
Man, I'm in trouble. If he's serious about the half-power thing, then even the Kaioken times 10 isn't gonna be enough. I should be able to hold my own if I push it to times 20, though. My body might not be able to handle it, but I've gotta try! What's going on? It barely did a thing!
My dad's energy! It's a lot weaker than it was before.
I can't believe someone's actually that strong.
Guess King Kai was right. Can't believe I'm saying this, but we shouldn't have picked this fight with Freeza.
'Cause you Saiyan! Well now, that actually hurt. That actually hurt! Where has all your energy gone? What? Have you exhausted yourself already?
I can't watch anymore. I'm gonna help him.
Wait, seems like Goku's got something in the works.
Goku, the legendary Super Saiyan.
The Spirit Bomb!
All things living on Namek, and all planets that can hear me, lend me as much energy as you can! Give me the strength I need!
What are you doing? Don't tell me. Is this another one of your pathetic attacks? What can you possibly accomplish by just standing there?
Well, he's made a Spirit Bomb that huge?
Freeza doesn't appear to know what's going on right now. I don't understand why Goku doesn't just attack him.
He's probably thinking that he needs more energy so that he can take Frieza down for good this time.
Man, I wish this thing didn't take so long to get ready. I have to make sure he doesn't figure out what I'm doing. Come on!
This is getting ridiculous. How much longer do you intend to keep that up?
Not sure. As long as I have to, I guess. Say, you're not in a hurry, are you?
You dare mock me? I do not understand you Saiyans. Your kind has been a thorn in my side for as long as I can remember. Once I've destroyed that Saiyan child and this entire planet, the Saiyans will finally be no more. The legend of the Super Saiyan will remain just that, a legend. That's not the sun. What the?
No, we saw it.
Stay here. No matter what happens, do not leave this spot.
What is that? Is that some sort of ball of energy? You!
It's no use. If I launch the spirit bomb at him right now, he's just gonna dodge it. Besides, it doesn't even have enough power to take Freeza down. Ah, damn it!
You were planning a sneak attack this whole time. How pathetic! But all of your idiotic planning and effort has gone to waste. You're finished!
Piccolo!
Hurry up and finish that spirit bomb already.
Thanks, Piccolo.
You vile, insignificant pests! How dare you interfere in this? So there are more of you, are there? You certainly know how to test my limited patience. It ends now! I will reduce you and this entire planet to nothing but ashes!
All right, it's done!
Release it!
No! I will not be defeated! Like this!
Hey, you made it.
Yeah! But where are my dad and Piccolo? They were right by the impact, weren't they? You don't think that they...
Hey, it's Goku and Piccolo we're talking about. They wouldn't go down that easy.
Krillin, the energy's faint, but I feel it.
Right, come on, let's go!
Okay. Dad!
Goku! You did it!
Let's go home, you guys. What is it, Krillin?
We totally forgot about Bulma!
Don't scare me like that.
No, it can't be! It's Freeza!
Mr. Piccolo!
You worms. I'm going to eradicate every last one of you!
Krillin! No! Let him go, Freeza!
Goku! And now for the little brat.
You! You're gonna pay for that!
What?
Dad?
Gohan, take Piccolo with you and head back to Earth now! Hurry, Gohan! Before I lose what little sense of reason I have left!
Okay.
What's going on? What's happened to him? No, it can't be!
I think I know what's going on. My dad finally did it! He's become a Super Saiyan!
I've had enough! Now I'm mad, Freeza!
You will know your place, you filthy Saiyan!
You're responsible for the deaths of so many innocent people! Like my friend Krillin!
You have some nerve. Your friend, who act as his servants, should have just as much blood on their hands.
And they met their end.
Thanks to you, I exterminated them like the pests they were.
Now it's your turn to be exterminated!
Give up now, Saiyan!
Give it up already, Freeza. You're finished! This!
That's it!
It's my turn now! You don't deserve to be forgiven for what you've done.
I will not stand for this. I will not lose to a Saiyan! That's it! You
Lend me your energy!
Not be happening! All I need is one clean hit!
Take your best shot!
You dare mock me? I'm going to make you suffer for that!
Try this!
Alice! Nothing!
Here goes! You can destroy entire planets, but you can't take down one single person?
What are you?
You mean you haven't figured it out yet? I'm the Saiyan who's come all the way from Earth to defeat you! I am the warrior you've heard of in legends. I am pure of heart and awakened by fury, that's what I am. I am the Super Saiyan, Son Goku!
I stand corrected. I suppose the legends were true after all. I hate you! I hate you!
It's over, Freeza.
Is it now? I won't let it end this way. I would rather take my own life than be killed by scum like you!
Fine by me.
But the one that's going to die isn't me. It'll be you! I can survive in the vacuum of space. Let's find out if the same can be said for Saiyans. This planet will die! No! I must have restrained myself too much. But the core has been completely destroyed. In 5 minutes' time, this planet will explode and become nothing more than debris floating through space.
5 minutes, huh? Well, that's all the time I need. I'll avenge Krillin by defeating you, then find my friends and get out of here.
Defeat me? Impossible! You have given me no choice. It's time to show you. Prepare for my full power!
Freeza. You know, the only reason I'm letting you reach full power is because I want to beat you at your best. As a warrior, I wouldn't have it any other way. Besides, you want to test out your full power too, don't you?
My apologies for the wait. As requested, this is my full power!
Goku's struggling. At this rate, he might not be able to make it off planet Namek before it explodes.
No way!
There must be something we can do. Wait, that's it! Yes, that should work! Guardian of Earth, Kami, can you hear me?
Yes, King Kai. I can hear you.
Would you be able to summon Shenron right away? I have a wish to make.
Ah, yes. I've already had Mr. Popo gather all of the Dragon Balls. We were planning to use them to revive those currently in your care.
Right, because Earth Dragon Balls can revive many people at once. But can they revive those who died naturally?
I'm afraid those who died of natural causes cannot be brought back.
But what about those whose lives were shortened as a result of an encounter with a villain?
I suppose such people could be revived, if only for the brief time that was taken from them.
All right then, here's the wish. Ask Shenron to bring back all those that were killed by Freeza and his men.
What?
I'll explain, we don't have much time, so I'll make this quick. First, we'll use the Earth's Dragon Balls to revive all those killed by Freeza. That should mean all Namekians, including Grand Elder Guru, should be revived. We've only had 2 of the 3 wishes granted with the Namekian Dragon Balls. How very strange. With Grand Elder Guru back, we should still be able to make one last wish, right? With that last wish, we'll transport everyone on Namek other than Freeza to Earth.
Oh, I get it! You've really thought this through, King Kai.
Anyway, that's the gist of it. Now hurry! Planet Namek won't be around much longer!
Oh, I see. I'll summon Shenron right away.
Now, state your wish. I shall grant you any wish that you desire.
I'm alive, but how is this possible?
What is this place? Have I returned to the world of the living?
Grand Elder Guru of planet Namek. This is King Kai of the North Quadrant of the galaxy. Please listen closely.
Why won't you just die? This is it. I'm going to blow you to a million pieces, just like that Earthling!
What are you talking about? Are you talking about Krillin? Don't you dare talk about Krillin!
Now planet Namek is about to explode! There should be one wish left with the Dragon Balls there. I need you to summon Shenron! For the last wish, ask him to send everyone there except Freeza to Earth.
I understand, King Kai. I appreciate your concern, but wishes must be made directly, I'm afraid. I will contact whomever is closest to the Dragon Balls and tell them your wish.
Wait! Don't make that wish! Listen to me. Ask him to leave both Freeza and me behind. Come on, ask him!
You heard us, Goku? I understand what you're trying to do, but...
Listen, King Kai. If you don't let me finish things with Freeza, I'm never going to forgive you!
Fine, fine. I understand. If that's really what you want...
My child, this is Guru.
Grand Elder Guru?
Please save your questions. I would like you to ask Porunga to grant one final wish. Dende, will you ask him to transport all those on Namek except for Freeza and Saiyan Goku to Earth?
Okay.
Is something wrong? Do you not have a wish?
Here is our final wish!
What? That's... the Dragon Balls!
No, wait!
Porunga, Freeza, Pipoto, Goku!
Make me... immortal!
No!
Porunga, Freeza, Pipoto, Goku! Puparito, Ronropa, Papipo, Paru!
Understood. It will be done. However, all except these two will be sent to Earth.
What?
Where am I?
My children, this is a planet called Earth. My time is once again at hand, I'm afraid. But before I leave this world once more, I wish to explain what has just happened. The battle against that fiend Freeza still continues back on our home planet.
Would you look at that? You need to speak the local language in order to make a wish. It's just us now, Freeza. Me and you! Finally, I've been waiting for this.
How very curious. It would seem you're willing to pay the ultimate price to settle our conflict. Very well. You will suffer! Stay in!
Freeza! This!
What the destruction of this planet does. Know this. One thing is certain. You will die! Probably. Here goes! You cannot hope to defeat me!
Lend me your energy!
It ends now!
My turn now!
Hang on! It ends now! Silence! It ends now! Big on! It doesn't!
I'm done.
You're done?
This fight is over. There's no point anymore. I can tell you're afraid. I don't need to defeat you anymore.
You dare mock me? I will not lose! I'm not going to fall for it! Yeah!
Watch out! Get down! Get down!
How can this be?
You brought this upon yourself, Freeza. Though I have to admit I didn't see it ending quite like this.
'Cause you sayin'...
I'm going to make my way back to Earth. You can stay here and suffer the same fate as this planet.
I beg you. Please have mercy. Please have mercy. I beg you.
How can you beg for mercy? How many people begged you for mercy before you slaughtered them? How many?
I beg you.
I've given you just a little bit of my energy. That's all you get. You're on your own.
Greatest being in the universe. And that is why you must die by my hand!
You fool!
What?
Goku survived his battle with Freeza. However, planet Namek had finally reached its limit, exploding in spectacular fashion and leaving Goku nowhere to be found. Back on Earth, Vegeta and the relocated Namekians resolved to stay with Bulma for the time being. Not much time had passed before Grand Elder Guru once again passed away, this time surrounded by his people. With Mori as the new Grand Elder, the Namekian Dragon Balls would be ready in 1 Namekian year, or 130 days on Earth. Though the Namekian Dragon Balls were only capable of reviving 1 person per wish, they could revive those that had died multiple times. Upon making their wishes to bring Goku and Krillin back, everyone received some shocking news. Goku was alive, and he was on his way back to Earth. To prevent Krillin from being brought back to life on the now destroyed Namek, his soul was brought back to Earth with the first wish, and then revived with the second. No longer needing to revive Goku, next in line to be brought back was Yamcha, whom everyone was more than happy to see. Then, another 130 days had passed, and 2 of the 3 wishes had been used to bring back the beloved Chaozu and Tien. Then, with the 3rd and final wish, the Namekians were transported to a new planet, along with their legendary Dragon Balls.
Hey, it's me, Goku! What's that now? You're telling me Frieza's alive? And right now he's making his way to Earth with his father? They're probably gonna do something awful while I'm not there, aren't they?
You're not gonna get away with this, Freeza.
Huh? Who are you? Stay tuned for the next episode of Dragon Ball Z, the fight for the future against the android terror. You don't want to miss it.
Gohan, how are your studies going?
Okay, I guess.
You lost a lot of ground during your little excursion to Namek.
Yeah, but I've been studying so much. I don't think I can cram anything else in.
Oh, all right then. Fine. You can run outside for a breather, but make sure you don't take too long. Got it?
Thanks, Mom. I'll be back soon.
Yes, soon. Understand?
Hey!
Hi! No? Okay.
Later!
Huh? Hi there! Hello? Hey! Thank you so much! Time to see what I can do!
Hey!
Now, where to go? Got it!
Hey.
Got it! Ah! Okay.
Come on!
Well, guess I'll get started.
Hey now!
What?
Yeah!
Thank you so much.
Goodbye!
Hi! Oh, this looks so good! Looks like things worked out.
Greetings. Many thanks.
Got it!
Why, hello there.
Hello. Good day.
Hey.
Hey there.
Got it!
Yeah. Yeah. Very well. Later! Very well. Later! Very well. Later! Huh?
I think I can handle this. I think I can handle this. Here I go! Oh no! I might be hungry.
I'm feeling hunger pangs.
I think I can handle this.
Huh? Stop!
Hi.
Stop!
Huh?
Yeah!
What?
Huh?
Nice.
You got it!
Okay.
Yeah!
Yeah. I have a feeling this.
Stop!
Hi there. Right.
Wow, this energy's incredible. There's a lot of power in this.
Yes?
Hi.
No. Hey.
Right.
Understood.
I wonder if anyone knows where Vegeta is. Wow, this energy's incredible! quiet around here. Got it!
Heya!
Where's Bulma's house? I can't get over how huge Bulma's place is. Hello? Excuse me? What? Sure. Hi. Thanks. Hi. Oh. Got it! I wanna go spelunking! I think I can handle this.
No. No.
Wait a minute.
Huh?
Come on! Hey now! Come on! Come on!
Huh?
Come on! No!
Can't be good.
What? What?
Yeah.
It's over.
What?
Don't underestimate me! Don't underestimate me! Believe it! Got it! Believe it!
Stop! Ha-ha!
Huh?
You got it!
What?
Yeah! Ha-ha! Hey, what gives? Come on now!
Okay.
You're about to see the best the Shapeshifting Academy has to offer!
That's the guy who's...
Dad must have really let loose. think I can handle this. Here I go! I think I can handle this. That's a big rock. I think I can handle this. I think I can handle this. I think I can handle this. I'm gonna take you down.
shall grant you any wish. State your wish.